Hey, what is up, friends and family of YouTube? Today's video is brought to you by Bent Intercoolers. Here at Bent Intercoolers, I'm just kidding, but look at that. Like, I'm surprised it's not leaking. Maybe it is leaking, to be honest with you. I have no idea. But finding an intercooler for this thing or an intercooler kit is troublesome. So I just took measurements of it as best as I could to guesstimate the width, the height, and the width. So I will be purchasing a new intercooler. Hopefully it's a little nicer than that one. But today I purchased a lip for the hatchback STi. My blob eye is gone. Can you believe that? My blob eye STi is gone, and it sucks. It really does. It's like, you know, it was a car I really enjoyed and I really loved and holds a special place in my heart. So with that being said, I got some mods to throw on the hatch to make my day feel a little bit better because it literally left today. So I purchased a lip. So I bought this off Amazon for like 120 bucks shipped, like so cheap. It's unreal almost. And they shipped it in a box that was about that width. So they're pretty smart about shipping nowadays. And it just slides into here in those two teeth. And you screw it down. And when it's gonna be on the car, you probably won't even tell really. So yeah, let's get putting this thing on. I'm sure it's gonna be easy. It came with a pack of screws. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna screw them all together and then put them on the STi. Right, so the lip is put together with 4 screws. I use these smaller ones because they seem like they fit the best, and there's only a select few of them. So obviously it's not going to be all these bigger ones that are for the lip, I think, to the bumper itself. But there's 2 more of these, and I think these might be the ones that are in the corner that go just at the edge of the bumper there, so you don't see the screw. It's not a huge one. So I'm going to go drill these on. I have no idea if they're factory spots or not. I hope they're not because I don't think I have any clips in the factory hole. So let's go check it out. All right, so I used 2 jack stands for both sides just to hold the lip up while I try to check things out here. And the holes, they kind of do line up with these factory holes. But they're not that far in, so I'm assuming they'll go like right before it, if you see what I'm saying. Because these look like larger, these look like the Subaru clips. So you're gonna have to probably, well, I'm gonna have to drill into the bumper here. I don't care, this bumper isn't in the best of shape. It's cracked here, it's cracked there. You can't really tell unless you're underneath the car, really. So the lip is just going to help hide that and just blend it all in. So I'm going to get to town here and just tell you guys, or show you guys rather, how it turned out. And we'll all go from there. There you have it, folks. The new lip. Some would say that it looks good right there. I don't think it looks bad. I'm just not like a out there in your face. I really like the subtle look of factory with a nice lip. This is a really nice lip. I will give it that. It's just the sides. I'm not sure if I'm huge about. This thing fits flawlessly. I'm very impressed for $120. Like, it's almost unbelievable. I'll show you what I did. Super easy. You just need to lift the car up. But after thinking about it, I don't know if the lip is going to catch my ramps now, which would suck. But as you can see, they're just screws, man. And then the 2 mounting screws to put the lips together. Screw. So super easy to put on. I'm going to give it a wipe down. Get all this dust off of it. It looks super good. I'm super stoked, to be honest with you guys. Yeah. Those screws at the end, if you can see it, you know, the very end ones, you got to be careful. You do have to use, I had to use the smaller ones, because if you use the large one, it goes right through the clip. on my car. So this just adds more rigidity to the bumper, ties everything together, and it looks phenomenal. Oh, I didn't know how dirty the car was until I put my camera light on it. But look at that. Super stoked. Hopefully I can get off the ramps. If I can, it's going to be a great day. And yeah, I'll put this in the description so you guys can check it out. I'm super happy with it. Like, it looks freaking good. For 125 bucks. I can't get over that. Maybe those little side wings will grow on me. But yeah, it looks phenomenal. So highly recommend it. That's all I have for you guys today. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, check out the channel for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, everybody. Peace. I just wanted to show everyone I successfully got it off the ramps. Go me. And look at this thing. It's beautiful.